Houston, the 7th of July, in 2 weeks from now, exact 2 weeks Sunday from now, about this same time, Houston, get ready for the funniest family comedy show you have ever seen. Uche Agu will be there to perform live. Sheyi Alej, Sheyi Brown, MC PC from Houston, and of course, my fine self, Wamilele, I will be there to perform. So please, if you never get tickets, go buy your ticket now. Ticket is just $20, VIP 30, table 400. Come with family, friends, come with everybody, come with your landlord brother, come with everybody you can come with. Come because that show, you don't want to miss it. Wamilele said so. Houston, West Chase Marriott on Westheimer Road. Find the zip code and the number. See you there.
Everybody sing, yeah, 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 yeah.